So I got some sister nail mail from PJ, aka Sick Tips. So let's see what she sent. A armrest, which I needed really bad. I didn't have one, so I am very excited to check this out. Y'all, ooh, isn't that pretty? You see all that design? And this will be perfect height, y'all. And it's got the zipper on it, so you can take it off and clean it, which is really nice. Thank you so much, PJ. You rocks this. And then we have some E-Nail Couture dual forms, and she asked me if I needed some dual forms, and she said they were the Russian tip dual forms. And y'all, look at how pretty. Those are going to be so super fun to play with. And they have, unlike the set that I bought recently, there are more than 2 of each size. So that is really cool. Then she sent me something that I have been really wanting. The E-Nail Couture has 2 different tips that I am super excited about and really want. So I think these are the Russian tips, if I'm not mistaken. My sister knows I love the Russian nails. I can get them apart. Yeah, so they are the Russian tips, which I absolutely love. Now these are the Russian coffin, but you can simply turn them into the Russian Gothic, or you can turn them into Russian almond, either way. And you see that apex on them, absolutely gorgeous. These are going to be so much fun to play with. Thank you so much, my beautiful sister. Welcome back. So we have some more sister nail mail. This is from my girl Tether's Bougie Nails, and if you're not following her, please do. She's awesome, y'all. You'll love her. Okay, so we have some natural nail tips, which are the coffin, which I'm super excited about. Y'all know I love my coffin and my stilettos. Then we have Honey Peach Almond, and these are super pretty. I really like these. I'm not going to open them up because y'all probably already know what they look like for the most part. Then we have some natural nail coffin as well. I think these are the same ones. Yep, those are the same ones, which is cool because I'm loving coffins. Then we have some mini stiletto 1, 2, 3 go soft gel tips, and we have the double XL 24 karat gold coffin, which are 1, 2, 3 go soft gel tips. And you know, these are so pretty. I just love those. And then my girl knows me. Big time she knows me. So we have some frozen almond. They're the silver glitter soft gel tips 1, 2, 3 go. And then girl, you just outdid yourself with these because I am so excited. I've been wanting these for a while. Thank you, Momo. These are the XXL pipe nail tips from 1, 2, 3 go. Y'all, I am so excited about these. I have wanted these for so long. You just don't even know. You see how gorgeous those are? Y'all, I'm really into those Russian nails. So if you haven't seen any of my videos on the Russian nails, on different ways to do them, definitely check them out. And I'm going to obviously be doing quite a bit more of the Russian with using these tips too. And another nail sister sent me some different Russian nail tips as well, so I'm going to be checking those out soon too. And then we have some silicone tools, which is really cool because I did not have any silicone tools except for one. I have one, but I haven't really tried it out too much yet. And these are really cool. It's got all kinds of different shapes and sizes in them, so these will be really fun to play with now that I have some solid nail gels. And a scrub brush. And then we have, she sent me 2 of these rhinestone pickers, which is really cool because my other rhinestone picker was about wore out. It was probably 3 or 4 years old, and it's had enough. You see how pretty that is though? Oop. I love that. Cannot wait to use those. And she sent me 2 of those. And then we have a box of the Luxe brush wipes and some acrylics. I have not tried any of his acrylics yet, and I am super excited to try these. So there is a green, which y'all know is my favorite color, a blue, a pink, and these look like, some of them have, these 2 have shimmer in them. I don't think this one has any shimmer in it. It's just a pink. And we have a yellow, which looks like it has shimmer. And this is probably either a gray or a black, and it looks like it has glitter in it. If I can get it open. Yes, you see all that glitter? It's like pinks and purples and green and yellow glitter in there. I love that. So I'm going to assume it's a black or a gray. If I can get it closed. Okay, so I got that closed. The struggle was real, y'all. I'm not good with stuff sometimes. And then we have some nail stickers, which is some really gorgeous flowers, and some abstract designs, which are very cool. And then we have a e-nail couture file and the plastic candy box. I've been wanting one of these. These are so fun. Okay, so she's got this thing full too. 2 more files. And some pretty there's like some oyster shell in there and a chain and some pearls and some really pretty, and if you know Tether, she likes really high quality bling. You can see that. So, and then these are really cool. See, they're red and purple shift. You see that? And it's got shapes, and it's got some of the smaller bead ones. And then the matching filler beads, the filler rhinestones, which match the red and pink. And then we have some of the color change ones. I think these were called Volcano. I can't remember. I think that might have been the name of them. It just says 4-gram diamond mix, but I don't know if you can see all the color change in those. It's like a green, a yellow, a pink, an orange, a little purple. And then she sent me some big bling, and I really like big bling, y'all. I don't wear a lot of it, but I do wear big blings. Oh my goodness. You see how gorgeous these are? And some are flat back and some are not flat back. But it's good because I don't always use flat back on my bigger stones when I do clusters. You see how gorgeous all this is. And super high quality. Heather usually only buys glass. bling. Ooh, check that out. And that's kind of like a rainbow. So these are super pretty. All this bling will be fun to play with. Okay, so what else do we have? We have some foils, a whole bunch of foils. We have some holographic foils. Very pretty. Y'all know I love foils. And then these are, I don't know how to describe them. They're kind of like mandala-ish, but they kind of give me a hippie vibe as well. So I really like that. That one kind of looks like an Indian vibe. So those are really fun. And then we have, if I can get it open, if I'm going the right way, some green blues, some flowers, and I don't know what this one is. It's just random designs. And that's got like the star designs and feathers with pearls and all kinds of different geometric stuff. That was the word I was looking for, geometric. And then this one, the box was a little broke, but it's fine. We have a bunch of different flowers and very summery kind of foils. Then we have, it doesn't say on it. Oh, I know what this is. This is the flashy light. The quick cure light. So very nice. Super cute. You know, I always love kitties. Do y'all know what kind of batteries this takes? If you do know, let me know, because I need to get some batteries for it. And then we have, let's see, a couple more acrylics. It looks like a gray and a green, which I'm super happy about. Y'all know I love my greens. Oh, it says charcoal gray. Duh. I'm not all there. So, and then we have the pink bubblegum gel, which I've never gotten to try this, so I'm super excited to try it. And that pot's so cute. That is absolutely adorable. And then, oh, we have some more of the bling, and this I think is out of Tether's bling box. Her mixes that she's making with the filler. Y'all, look at all those different ones. Different sizes and colors. Oh, these are going to be fun. It's even got some of the fluorescent ones. Neon. Neon is what I'm trying to think of. Thank you so much for those, Tether. And let's see what else we have. Oh, me and her had talked a while back, and she sent me a whole bunch of these empty containers, which I absolutely love to use for stuff. So she sent me a whole bunch of those. So that is super, super cool. I appreciate that, Tether. And then here we have some, I think these are glitters. And these are some more bling. Now these are kind of bling that you would probably practice with and maybe not wear on your nails a lot, but these are more for practice, I would think. I think they're the plastic ones. But I know Tether doesn't use the plastic ones, so she sent them to me. And it's got, oh, I can't dig it out, but it's got different shapes. It's got like hearts, colored hearts in it, and some ovals, and some of the teardrops. Then she sent me an apron, a nail couture apron. Very handy to have. Always handy to have. Let me put this stuff up here. And this is e-nail couture. And ooh, it's a flash fingernail lamp, but it's the mini cure lamp. So very happy to have this because I did not have one, and I super needed one. And then we have some alcohol ink. I believe this is black, which is really cool because if you've been watching me lately, I have been, or I'm starting to be into the alcohol inks. And then we have a bunch of gel polishes, y'all. I think they're mostly e-nail couture. A couple of them are a different brand, but they are all absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just going to go ahead and show these to you. And if you've made it this far into the video, I so appreciate it. It helps me out when people take the time to watch my videos and leave comments and thumbs up. So I really appreciate all of that, and all of you for staying with me this long. The end of this week will be my 1 year on YouTube, and I am so excited, y'all. I made it. I didn't think I was going to make it all the way to the end of the year, but I did, and still going strong. At least I hope I am. With your continued support and love, I so appreciate it. I can't say it enough. Y'all, check out how pretty this cat eye is. It's given me hints of blues and purples. When I first opened it, I thought it was red. So it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, if you've made it this far into the video, I hope you leave me a thumbs up, a comment, and let me know what you think of everything. And make sure to go follow Sick Tips, aka PJ, and Heather's Bougie Nails. And go ahead and leave me a pink and a white or green heart to let me know that you were here and that you are enjoying my videos. I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the last couple of polishes. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm sending love, hugs, prayers to each and every one of you. Thank you so much.